Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and I have a vintage interactive folio tutorial to share with you. It measures 15.5 by 21 centimeters and it can hold about 40 pictures. At the end, I will show you how to make these papers in a way that they can easily be removed to stick your picture. I used a big scrapbook paper pad that I am going to show you later on, but for the cover of the folio I decided to use some elements from the paper collection Voyage Fantastique by Stamperia. I divide the base in three parts. I use black cardstock 200 GSM weight, I burnish well with a bone folder. I put double-sided tape on the 1.5 scored parts. And now the base is ready. I am going to build the left section. And now I am going to adhere the flap which has this gusset. Right here where the second scoring line ends. I put double-sided tape on the 1.5 scored parts. If you realize that it is difficult to be closed, you can use your trimmer to trim off the edge of the paper a little bit, as I am doing here. I am going to put 4 magnets. First, I put a small amount of liquid glue, I stick the magnet and I secure it with a piece of clear sellotape. Then I take another piece of clear sellotape with the sticky side up and I simply stick the other magnet. You will find links to the supplies I used down below in the description area. I am going to build the middle section. You are going to stick the waterfall like this, but I prefer to turn it 180 degrees because this way is more easy for me. I continue the building of the waterfall in the same way. Here I used smaller magnets, about 8 mm diameter, instead of the 10 mm I always use in my projects. Here is the 12 by 12 paper collection used by Craft Consortium. It is called Vintage Emporium and it has 30 double-sided papers in a vintage style. In all the papers I used to decorate the folio, I decided to give them a vintage look, so I used my distress ink to ink the edges all around. Now I am using my archival ink to stamp a small camera and the dimension of the picture that I am going to stick there. And I am going to use my removable double-sided tape and simply stick it right here. I hope you have fun and get inspired. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!